Hello friends, my name is Mas and this is my channel, as you can see here, we are still moving in this orange Y, reaching for this down, my friend, and to end this all correction in this blue Y, and end also this yellow B. Reaching for this down, my friend, and this is my main scenario here, my friend, reaching to revisit again the 40,000 area to maybe back to retest this area as I mentioned to you in my previous videos. And until now here I'm waiting to see what will we close with this week time frame candlestick. If we watch this as this green candle, I can count this as the first wave, and this green will be as the second wave, and we will go for the third, fourth, and the fifth. I am waiting to see what will we have here in for this candlestick. But here, my friend, This is next candlestick for this engulfing. This is my engulfing first week here for this bearish scenario. So I am waiting to see maybe it will close with this red candle, and we will continue watching this huge red candles, or maybe the next week we started with this it will be as red candle, but here with higher wick and creating a higher high from this to count this all as the first, and this week will be the second, and continue for this bearish. Until now here I'm waiting to see what will we have here in this week. But if we reach directly for this day time frame, my friend, and take a look about this, take a look about this day time frame, my friend, and you can see here, my friend, after reaching for this down with this 5 waves for this bearish, I expected that we will watch. Maybe this is one scenario from my two expected scenarios. The first one, and I preferred that, and I told you that, my friend, we will watch maybe running flat pattern and back again. Until now here, for this correction only, I can expect we will watch 3 waves here to end this all the first wave A, and this ABC to create this B, and the back here, my friend, to create this C, and this ABC will be the second wave as we analyze it, and I explain this scenario for you, and back again for this all bearish for the third and the fourth and the fifth. Reaching for this area to close firstly the second wave here, my friend. Reaching for this down after creating this all red candles, I can count this with one wave. This is one side uh, for this waves, and to watch more details here, I need to reach here, my friend, uh, for this smaller time frame. But firstly here, if we close with this green candle and we engulfing this red, I can put this as, my friend, here this it will be break of structure candlestick here for this day time frame, because we didn't break this high until now. So I am waiting to reversing from this point and reaching for this down, and just breaking this BOS with the body of the candle, I can end this correction B and start the final wave C as the second wave in this high. Until now here, my friend, I need to mention this is my strongest level, reaching to 58,900, but I expected to reach for the maybe 57,000 and also 600, and I will update you in smaller time frame with specific levels, my friend. Reaching to this lower time frame for this 4 hour time frame as we expected here, my friend, and I mentioned that for you after creating this WXY, and I named this all with this purple W here, my friend, and I said that for you I am waiting to see X and Y also reaching for this 58,300. This is my main scenario, as I explained in my previous videos, and I said that my target reaching for this wide B here. This is one scenario from my two expectation, and this the first one. I said I need to create this running flat pattern for the second wave, and I said that for this B I can count with these three waves, my friend. WXY, and we end this W, and you can see this all shallow waves here with this all red and the greens here. In this daytime frame, we have this four red days. So I can expect this micro WXY at the first wave W, and we will watch now this correction X, and we will go for this down. Here, my friend, if we go back for this down, break this low directly, I will end the X here in this area. But until now here, for this time, we can see this A, B, C reaching for this high again, and I will extend this purple X to reach for this 0.7, and I mentioned that this is just retracement for only this purple W here, and we reach for this point 6 here. This is my golden zone, and we will back from this point. This is my first one. My second approving for starting this correction from this point. If we use this volume profile, my friend, you can see it clearly. I have here this strongest level, and this strongest level, if we remove it to make this clear, I put this as dashed green here, reaching for 62,300. So I can expect that we will watch here, my friend, maybe shallow waves here and back again. Maybe I am waiting to see what will we have here in the next hours to end this day with this green candlestick. And after reaching here, my friend, and breaking this body with this BOS here, we watched this huge correction here. So I here until now I sprayed my bullish position again to be at these points, and I prefer to separate my positions with from smaller to be greater here, my friend, to avoid my liquidation, or to avoid any wrong in my counting or any expectation wrong here, because we in the probability market. So we will watch, I can expect that we will watch the correction from this point, or maybe we will watch this A and the B and the C reaching for this high, for this highest level, and I will update this levels for you for this smaller time frame. I don't prepare, I didn't prepare this video and this recording before, and I didn't create any analysis before my recording, so I analyze it with you live in here, directing during my recording now. So reaching for this point, after reaching for this highest level, I started this bearish again, and after retesting this volume profile levels, or this zone or this area, and I am waiting to see what will we have after breaking this level. I will remove it. We have this confirmation for ending this W here, and until now I am waiting to see this bearish, maybe back again for the slow, and we go directly to retest this 1.30 and breaking this low to create this running flat pattern. I am waiting to see what will we have here, my friend. Until now, for this 4-hour time frame, I can see that also. I can see this. I am searching with you, my friend. So this high reaching for this 320 and 21. I can see this 21, yes, here and 20. So I can put this as change of character level, and we break this change of character with this body of this candlestick. So I can expect we will watch a correction from this point. And until now here, my friend, after breaking this body of this candlestick with this change of character here, I can expect this. We will watch the correction from this point soon. And until now, I am waiting to see what will we have here. And we watch this correction. So I will remove this now. I will remove this now here, my friend, and I am waiting to see what will we have here after reaching for this highest level. So if we go here, my friend, directly to create this ABC as this ABC, I will change my counting for this 5 waves, but until now here I am waiting to see what will we have here in the next hours and in the next days to counting my first my main scenario here. We are still moving in this bearish scenario with this fifth wave, and we go here for this running flat pattern as we expected. I can expect this breaking this low. It's my first the indication, so I am waiting to see what will we have in the next hours. Reaching for this point, I am waiting to see what will we have here. Until now I will remove this point 55, so to keep this clearly. Reaching for this 3 hour time frame, I am searching with you, and also here I put this change of character here and breaking this body. I am waiting to see. This is my first change of character, so it's indication, just indication for starting and ending this purple and starting this X. But here, my friend, after breaking this with this body, I expect to watch this correction soon here, my friend. So creating this green, it's normally, my friend, because here we break the first level change of character. This change of character here just indication to me for starting this X. But here, if we break the second, my friend, with the body, I will watch the bearish from it. So this is my difference between the first change of character and the second one. This is the first for this all bearish, so I can expect this. We will watch continuity here, and this is just a sign for me for starting this X here, my friend. So if we watch it correction from next this candlestick, it will be okay. But if we don't watch this, it's also okay, because this is my first change of character. So reaching for this area and this highest levels here, I am waiting to watch this red candles from this area soon, because we reached to break this X here, my friend. This X here, breaking this X, it also indication for starting this X here, my friend, this purple X, and reaching for this area, this high, with starting this green candles with this green wick. I can expect this X will be as 3 waves, so I can expect this maybe this A, B, and C, and I will put this 0.88 levels, so maybe we will back to retest it, and this is my 0.78 also between them. I can see this 0.78. I need to add this 0.78 at this point, 0.78. So until now here, my friend, this is my decision here. Maybe we will reach for the top and this highest again with this ABC 3 waves here. Add this also WXY. So this is my purple supply levels. This is my all target to end this purple X, reaching for this down. Maybe I can create this first wave W with 1 wave and this X, and we will back again with also WXY, smaller WXY here to end this all purple counting W and X and Y. And in this case, if we go for this down to break this W, I win this I will end this purple X directly. But until now, I am waiting to watch this the three waves here. And what will we have here in the next hours? I am waiting to see, and I will put this, add this A, B, and C. This is my first scenario and my first analysis until now. And if we search about this 3 hour time frame to watch anything in this highest, just I have this reaching for the 63,200, and this is strong level for me to end. This is all correction purple X, or maybe nearing from this point. Reaching for this point here, my friend, you can see this volume profile matches with this change of character in this 2 hour time frame. So this area is the strongest, my friend, to watch the correction from it. So I can expect we will end this gray A and create this gray B. Then we will go for this height again to create this green C, maybe reaching for this 7.78 or 0.88. Until now, I am waiting to see what will we have. This huge correction also after breaking this BOS with the body of the candle. So I will remove it and reaching for this area for this highest. I am waiting to see breaking this is just a fake out, my friend. It's fake out for this change of character. So this is my second one. This first one I will remove it, give me indication for any this purple, and go for this high with this fake out. So I can expect we will watch another green candles here reaching for this highest 0.7 maybe. But here I can see this is strongest volume area. So this is shallow area, my friend. Maybe go for this highest, for this lowest, and go again and back from this point. This is shallow area here, my friend, to start this or to end this purple X and add in this point or in this area. So I advise you about create your position on different levels here to gain. If we go for this highest again and reaching for this point, I'm waiting to see if we have any levels here. Just breaking also this change of character. I analyze it for the highest time frame and reaching for this point also. I am waiting to see what will we have, and I can't see anything specialist for this point. Just I have also the change of character from this point, but I didn't put it until now. Here after reaching for this point with this engulfing, my friend, yes, this is what I am searching about it. Starting this correction with engulfing, so I will expect it reaching for deeply here, maybe to revisit this 0.78 or 0.88. This is this two my levels, my preferred level 0.88 and 0.78, as I put my first levels here for you, and I can expect it reaching for this deeply area uh, for this ABC. I can see it, and starting with this engulfing and this huge momentum you can see in this today and Friday. So this is my main scenario here, reaching for this highest. Maybe I can expect this all area, my main area, my friend, to end this purple X with this strongest volume in this zone, or maybe with the starting this engulfing to create ABC and reaching deeply here for this point 78 or point 88, reaching between this 63,200 reaching for this 800. This is my all analysis and my all scenarios here, my friend, until now. And if we reach deeply here for this 30-minute time frame, we begged here to revisit this highest and also breaking this body for this change of character from the faraway from the faraway levels. Until now, I don't have anything. Just I hope to update you with my all daily analysis until now. So I expected we will end this Purple X soon to continue for this Bearish. Until now, my friend, thank you for joining me and my analysis. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. And let's share my efforts and my analysis with your friends. Thank you and see you soon. And you can follow me easily on my all social media, Twitter and TikTok, and my main channel on YouTube with my main name here, Mass Crypto Analysis. And sorry, I can't upload my idea for this trading view because the site banned me and I can't share my analysis for 1 month, my friend. So until now, I am sorry for this, and I am waiting to watch starting this parish from this highest levels after creating maybe ABC, and I am waiting to see what will we have here in the next hours. Until now, thank you for joining me and see you soon.